So we're discussing number 2. All the gopis will travel out to their own kunjas, Lalita's kunj or Vishaka's kunj and Radha's kunj and all the kunjas. So they're all abhisarikas, traveling for rendezvous, for lovers' tryst. And then they enter the kunj, and then they're waiting. Man is waiting for the lady, lady's waiting for the man. Here the gopis are generally waiting for Krishna, because he's Krishna's Ekaleshwara Krishna Arasabhya Bhritya. Gopis are servants of Krishna. Radharani is a servant of Krishna. Krishna is a servant of his devotees. Krishna is a servant of Radharani. But ultimately Krishna is the object. Krishna is the Seva Vishai. He's the Prem Vishai. Prem Vishai Vibhav Alamban. And Radharani is the Prem Ashray Vibhav Alamban. Radharani is a reservoir and the unlimited ocean of love, let's say, and Krishna is the receiver of that love. He is the Vishai. Vishai means the enjoyer, but not material sense gratification. But Vishai, Prem Vishai Alamban means that Krishna is one type of bhav in this Madhura Rati, 5 bhavas mixed together to give the taste of Madhura Ras. So Vibhav, Anubhav, then Satvik Bhav, Sanchari Bhav, and another one is there. So 5 mixed together. So Radharani, they're all waiting. They go in the kunj and they're waiting. Vasak, Saja. Vasa means wait. They're waiting in the kunj, and Saja means they're hopeful. The hopeful waiting lover. So that described in Ujjvala Nilamani in chapter 4 of the Sakhi Prakaran, all the varieties of Sakhi lovers of Krishna, Radharani, and all the others. So this particular one, number 2, she ornaments the Vasak Saja. This gopi ornaments and perfumes her body and personally prepares and decorates the kunja. So she's gone to the kunja, and she's run to the kunja in great eagerness and great anticipation and excitement to meet her beloved Krishna. And once she gets there, then she fixes her ornaments, and maybe she forgot an earring or two, or forgot some bracelet in her haste to run out of the house. But her ever watchful and attentive manjaris have a little kit with them, and in their kit they have all the missing jewelry of Radharani. They carry a little bag like ladies have the purse. So the manjaris are carrying a small purse, and in that purse they're carrying all the ornaments and Radharani. The manjaris are carrying all the ornaments and earrings and whatnot